Farm mechanization refers to the use of machines and technology in agriculture to improve efficiency and productivity. It involves integrating engineering and technological advancements to replace or supplement human and animal labor in various farming operations. This includes the use of tractors, plows, harvesters, and other equipment, as well as the application of inputs like improved seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides. Key aspects of farm mechanization: increased productivity. Mechanization can significantly boost crop yields and overall agricultural output by enabling faster and more efficient operations. Reduced labor costs. Machines can replace manual labor, particularly in tasks like land preparation, planting, harvesting, and processing, leading to lower labor costs. Improved efficiency. Mechanization streamlines farming processes, allowing for more timely planting and harvesting, better resource management, and reduced post-harvest losses. Enhanced working conditions. Mechanization can reduce the physical strain and drudgery associated with traditional farming methods, making work safer and more comfortable. Farm mechanization encompasses a range of technologies, from basic hand tools to advanced motorized equipment, offering options suitable for different farm sizes and needs. Examples of farm mechanization: land preparation, using tractors and plows for tilling and soil preparation. Planting and seeding, utilizing seed drills and planters for efficient and precise planting. Harvesting, employing combines, reapers, and other harvesters to gather crops quickly and efficiently. Post-harvest processing, utilizing threshers, winnowing machines, and other equipment for cleaning, sorting, and processing harvested crops. Irrigation and water management, employing pumps, sprinklers, and other irrigation systems to ensure an adequate water supply. Livestock management, utilizing automated feeding systems, milking machines, and other technologies to improve livestock production. Benefits of farm mechanization. Farm mechanization can help meet the growing global demand for food by increasing the amount of food produced per unit of land and labor. By increasing efficiency and reducing post-harvest losses, mechanization can help lower the cost of food production, making it more affordable for consumers. By increasing farm productivity and income, farm mechanization can contribute to improved rural livelihoods and economic development. Sustainable mechanization practices can minimize the environmental impact of agriculture by optimizing resource use and reducing waste. Challenges of farm mechanization. The initial investment in farm machinery can be a barrier for some farmers, particularly smallholder farmers. In some regions, small and fragmented landholdings can limit the efficient use of large-scale machinery. Lack of technical expertise. Farmers may require training and support to effectively operate and maintain farm machinery. Potential for job displacement. The adoption of mechanization can lead to job losses in some areas, particularly among those involved in manual labor. Sustainable farm mechanization aims to balance the benefits of mechanization with environmental and social considerations. Selecting machinery and equipment that are suitable for the specific farm size, farming system, and environmental conditions. Utilizing machinery that is energy efficient and minimizing the use of fossil fuels. Implementing practices that minimize soil erosion, water pollution, and other environmental problems. Ensuring that the benefits of mechanization are shared by all members of the farming community, including women and marginalized groups. Overall, farm mechanization offers significant potential to transform agriculture and improve food security, but it is important to implement it in a sustainable and equitable manner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Fain Fields for more real farming content, tractor operations, and crop production tips.